Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to access any YouTube script that you want, right? This is mind-blowing. All the videos you've been seeing on YouTube, you can actually have their script in few seconds, right? I will show you step by step how you can generate the script of those videos you watch on YouTube. Then you can decide to rephrase the script, or go through the script. If there is anything you want to learn from the script, you want to use it for kind of creating one or two ideas for yourselves. So you've seen a lot of videos online, but sometimes you wonder, how can I get this script? And today I'm going to show you everything step by step. Right now, the first thing we have to do, let's go to YouTube and look out for a video that we can tap in. Okay, let's just use this particular video here.
I'll make you walk
so
if you let my father go. Your Honor,
now
I know you can walk again, but first you have to do what's right.
Then
Let my father go.
Copy. So we have to copy the link to this video. Now we'll proceed to our Safari, and once we get there, we'll type TurboScribe. I hope you can see the website we want to access here at the very top here. So I'll tap on it. I'll click on open dashboard. So if you haven't registered, you will just have to log in with your email, and that's just it, right? So after I must have accessed this dashboard, I'll click on this sign here. I'll tap on this sign. Right now, I'll now click on this particular sign. I hope you can see that this cloud sign. I'll tap on this cloud sign. Then I'll tap on this very tiny sign here at the very top. I hope you can see it here, this sign here. I'll tap on it. Now I hope you can see media link. This is where I can enter my media link, which is YouTube. Then I'll paste that link which we copied earlier, and I'll click on import. So let's import it. As you can see, this is 10%, 12%. So we are importing this YouTube script here so that we can be able to access it. Right now, as you can see, this is the name of the free my dad and I will make you walk. So that is the name of the video on YouTube, right? So I'll now click on transcribe. So I'll have to click on transcribe. See the language here, English, the language at which we want to transcribe. So I'll click on transcribe. As you can see, it's transcribing here, and the ones you can see here are the ones I've done in the past, right? The ones I've transcribed in the past. So let's wait for this. It will take few minutes to complete, and we will be able to access it. Okay, now the transcription has completed, and we will go ahead to open it, right? So I'll click here, this 3 dotted line here, and I will click on open transcript. Now, as you can see, this is the script of that video, free my dad and I will make you walk. I hope you can see it here. So you can see it here, let my father go and I will make you walk. This is the complete script of that video you've been watching, right? So I can decide to click on the voice here. So it's up to a 30-minute
Let my father go and I'll make you walk again. I'll make you walk if you let my father go. Your Honor, I know you can walk again, but
now, as you can see this, you can replicate this. You can do this to each and every videos you've been seeing on YouTube that you've been wondering, how can I get this script? Please do well to subscribe to my channel, as I will be bringing to you guys a lot of updates. Thank you, and see you on the next one.